Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your social studies job for today. Our target skill for today is I can give examples of how technology has changed transportation from long ago. Boys and girls, we know that long ago is also called the past. You say it, past. Today we are going to investigate how transportation has changed from the past to the present. Let's take a closer look. As a review, transportation is any way of moving people and things from place to place. So take a minute and think about some transportation that you use in the present. What do you know about how this transportation runs? What does it use to get you from one place to another place? Here we see two pictures. One is transportation from the past, and one is transportation that we use in the present. What do you notice that is different? How has transportation changed? One thing that I notice is that in the past, they needed a horse to power their transportation. In the present, our vehicles or our transportation use technology like engines to help them go. So we do not need a horse to power our vehicle. Technology, you say it, technology, are all of the tools we use to make our life easier. So technology has changed transportation to make it easier for people and things to get from one place to another place. Transportation is changed by technology. So, taking a look here, the technology of an engine has changed transportation to make it so that we do not need horses anymore. What do you notice between this second picture and this third picture? How has technology or tools changed this transportation to make it easier for people to get from one place to the next place? I notice that this vehicle, this one in the present, looks a lot safer because now they have technology to protect the driver more. If you look at this transportation, they did not have the technology to keep the driver inside the car as safe as we do now. That is just one type of technology that has made this transportation easier for us. There are lots and lots of ways that transportation has changed. Transportation now is faster, it's more comfortable, it's easier. What do you think transportation will look like in the future? How could it change to make it even faster, even more comfortable, or even easier to use? That is going to be your social studies job today, friends. On this sheet, number 1 says, draw one form of transportation we use today. Do you use a car, a train, a boat, a bicycle? It's your choice. Number 2 says, what change do you think it needs? What would you like to change about that transportation? Number 3, how would the change be helpful to us? What would the change do to the vehicle to make it helpful? And number 4, draw what it would look like after the change. So your job is to be an engineer today, boys and girls. Take one form of transportation that we have in the present and change it to make it look like something we would have in the future that would make life easy for us or would make travel easier for us. All right, first graders, have fun. I cannot wait to see what you design.